Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to transfer Amex points to Marriott Bonvoy. So right here, all you have to do is go to your American Express, Rewards, Travel, Hotel Partners, Product, and look for Marriott Bonvoy. So you want to log in first before you do so right here. So 2 membership rewards points equals 3 Marriott points, and estimated transfer time is going to be up to 1 business day. So the minimum transfer amount is going to be 400 points. So you can transfer the amount right here and input your minimum or how much you have. So if you need help converting your points, they have a actual calculator for this. So if you have membership rewards points, you can convert that into Marriott points and vice versa. So you can do that right here. So once you have transferred that, you will just have to select an input, review, and complete. So that's how you transfer your points from your American Express to Marriott Bonvoy. It's really that simple.